Zearner, I'm Miss Johnson, here with Emily and James. Today's lesson is a math chat. In math chats, we'll learn something new together. Before every math chat, make sure you have a pencil, notes, and headphones. Today, we're going to break apart numbers into two smaller parts. We'll start with these cubes. When you solve a problem on Zearn, we give you directions so you know what to do. How many cubes? Now you answer the question, and we'll talk about it after. Press the audio button if you want me to read the directions. James, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cubes. That's it. How many purple cubes? Emily, 1, 2. There are 2 purple cubes. Yes. How many orange cubes? One, 2, 3. There are 3 orange cubes. Exactly. Let's make a number bond to show the whole and the parts. The whole is 5 because we have 5 total cubes. Now you write the whole in the number bond. One part is 2 because we have 2 purple cubes. The other part is the number of orange cubes. Now you write the number of orange cubes in the number bond. I wrote 3 here because we have 3 orange cubes. Beautiful. The number bond shows how we can break apart the total, 5, into parts, 2 and 3. 2 and 3 more make 5 total cubes. Great effort so far, Zearner. Now let's solve a problem in our Zearn student notes. First, get out your binoculars and find the lesson number in your notes. Today, we're working on lesson 1. So make sure your notes say lesson 1 here. Next, write your name on your paper. Go. When you see this blue bar on the screen, it's time to solve in your notes. Do you have your notes ready? Hold up your notes, just like this. Now, let's look at the notes page together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 butterflies in total. That's here in our number bond. One part shows 5 butterflies. That's the 5 here. Now complete the other part of the number bond in your notes. There are 6 butterflies in total. We made one part 5. So the other part is 1. The number bond shows how we can break apart the total 6 into parts 5 and 1. This green bar means it's time to check your notes to make sure they're right. It says, check your work. So get out your binoculars again and look at the work. Then look at your own. And make sure it matches. If you made a mistake, cross out your mistake and write the correct answer next to it. Don't erase. Nice effort working on number bonds. Head on over to the Tower of Power. notes for today's lesson, so you're already Zearn prepped. Let's start by checking out these balloons. How many balloons do I have? Count them. We can separate these balloons into two groups, like this. We have 3 balloons here and 4 balloons here. Let's make these balloons orange so we can see the two groups more easily. How many purple balloons do I have? Let's show this in a number bond. A number bond shows a whole and its parts. There are 7 total balloons, so we write 7 here. The 2 parts are the purple and orange balloons. Let's write a number for each part. There are 3 purple balloons, so I write a 3 here. How many orange balloons are there? Write your answer in the number bond. I have 4 orange balloons, so 4 goes here. 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 total balloons. I got 1 more balloon. How many balloons do I have now? Show the total in the number bond. I have 8 balloons. This time, you decide how we should break apart these balloons. What 2 parts do you see? Show those 2 parts in the number bond. One way to break up the 8 balloons is 5 and 3. Did you see a different way? I saw 4 and 4. I saw 6 and 2. I like how you each saw a different way to break up 8. I've got one more problem for you with some new balloons. How do you want to break up these balloons? Separate the balloons into 2 parts that you see, and then use the number bond to show the total and the parts. Thanks for your hard work today. See you next time. Welcome, Zearner. Nice to see you. Before we start, make sure you're ready for math chat with a pencil, notes, and headphones. Today, we're going to play the one more game. We will add 1 more, then find our new total. Let's start. I'll show 5 butterflies like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You try. I'll add 1 more butterfly. Your turn. We started with 5 butterflies and added 1 more butterfly. How many total butterflies do we have now? James? Now there are 6 butterflies. Beautiful. 5 needed 1 more to make 6. This is the same as saying that 6 is 1 more than 6 is 1 more than 5. You got it. Let's show this with a number bond. The whole is 6. Emily? 5 plus 1 more equals 6. Excellent. Let's keep playing one more, this time in our Zearn student notes. First, get out your binoculars and find the lesson number in your notes. Today, we're working on Lesson 3, so make sure your notes say Lesson 3 here. We have 6 triangles here. I'll draw one more, like this. Your turn to draw one more triangle. Let's show that in our number bond. We started with 6 triangles, so that's the 6 here in our number bond. Complete the number bond to match our drawing. We started with 6 triangles and drew one more.